Changing your primary bank account in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your financial data is accurately reflected in your accounting software. Step 1. Log into QuickBooks Online. Access your QuickBooks Online account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are logged in as an administrator or have the necessary permissions to make changes to bank accounts. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, locate the left-hand menu and click on Banking. This will take you to the banking section where all your connected accounts are displayed. Step 3. Select the current primary account. In the banking section, identify the account that is currently set as your primary bank account. Click on the account to open its details and settings. Step 4. Change the primary account. Look for an option that allows you to edit or change the account settings. Select the new account you wish to set as your primary bank account. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new primary account, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the primary account has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary bank account in QuickBooks Online. Regularly updating your account settings ensures your financial records remain accurate and up to date.